Hey, this is Crystal. She's our guest for today.
Hi.
But Natalie's not here today, so you could all go away. And we're chasing a bird.
Come on. Oh. Come on. Oh. Almost. Whoop.
This bird is not very smart. Oh, crap, where'd it go?
Oh, come on. Right to me. Right to me. Oh. Ow, it hit me. This is interesting.
Close up.
Oh, yeah.
Perverted bird.
It hit my crotch. Oh. Don't miss. Come on. Oops. And it's safe.
The bird is very vicious to me.
Hold on.
Oh my god, really?
Get down. Come on, birdie. I scoop you. Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good. Come on, bird. This way. I got you. No, oh, maybe not. It likes that window.
It really does.
I could, like, hit him out of it.
Don't hit him.
My bird has problems.
Very much.
Oh, right into the wall.
In the corner. Whoa, okay, that scared me.
Come on.
As you can see, she lives in pretty much a barn.
Hey!
Farm girl.
Fuck you. Where'd it go?
She has like a billion animals in here.
Scoop! Where'd it go?
Where the frig is it?
I lost the fucking bird. Oh, there it is. Come on, keep going. My ribbons are one.
Llamas.
Oh, yeah.
She's a llama freak, just saying.
It just pops out.
That bird does not like you.
Wow, what a dumb bird. Now I know where they get bird breath from. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh, that's it. Really, really, really? It's tearing my room apart.
Where'd it go? I lost it.
Bitch. Put it on Katie's head.
Don't do that to me.
You little SOB.
SOB. Way to censor yourself.
Thank you.
That bird is a little bitch.
I know, thank God the other one didn't get out. Oh my God, really? Really? It fell all the way out. And the camera. Really? Okay.
We're gonna catch this bird. Well, you are anyway.
This way. Keep going. Oh, my bad. Alright, I'm holding it upside down.
Caught the bird again.
Alright, this time I'm putting it back in. Everyone take a good look at Angel.
Angel. Yeah, bullshit.
No, I'm not gonna kiss you. Bad.
Okay, put Angel away.
And that's how not to catch a bird.
And that's it for now. Bye.